Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Niger Gaming. For today's video, we're playing 99 Nights in the Forest. So, in playing solo, this all of my class. I got Gambler, Base Defender, Base Support. I got Camper class, Support. I even got a Scavenger. So, we're playing with Base Defender, because he's my last in my solo game. So let me just find here we go, let's get started. So gameplay for there we go, we are ready to start and play. Let's good cell phone. Nice. Base defender. Last. Wait, let me. There we go. I only made it in 100 by some help of raw players like Chris. Yeah, I've been playing. I've been playing with a hacker, so that's why I got today 100. There we go. Now we just need to get the call. Lucky me, two calls. So me white actually died in the first night. Uh, I'm so lagi sa tulog katakbo. Every time my video will get laggy. So sorry when I'm laggy. I might actually need to this space for my cell phone, so that so I can play more complete, more more advanced, and my brother is playing. So sorry for the a lot of videos. Sorry for the lag again. After this video, I'll clean up and then play another video. Like I'm gonna finally show my garden indoor garden. So I'm kinda laggy. I cannot even open a chest because you already know I'm so laggy like that. Nice. Thank you. So I'm laggy when I'm playing, but if I'm not playing video, it's lagging. So I might actually need to clear up space because I'm only using cell phone. Yes, sorry for the lag. So if I die, If I die, maybe stay tuned for another. If I died in this game, maybe I'm posting a lot more. And like and subscribe because it's really help a lot. I'm just a YouTuber starting playing games. Actually, I wanna be a gamer because one day I can be a gamer just like other YouTubers like Paultin and Windully. So like and subscribe guys. And I keep lagging. I'm finally showing I'm finally showing my garden in Grow a Garden. There we go. Let me just see. I found this tip. Probably someone teach my tip, this tip for me. And maybe if you keep dying in like 99 nights in the forest, maybe you can do this tip to be pro. So first tip, you can stack wood. You can plant wood on each other so it will be easy to collect when you chop them. Just let me cut some wood because I need them. Yakanda big animation. There we go. So you can stack them like this. So when it grow up, you can just cut them by yeah. I'm kinda hungry and lagging. Let me just get some food, guys. I have the defense blueprint and I got the spike, bob wars. There we go. I can avoid. You can do the circle method. You can do it if you keep getting hurt by cultists. You can just do like that, and then punch and then hit them with anything item you have. A melee item. So there we go. I'm trying actually trying to get a flashlight. There we go. Because opening my second chest. Um the developer actually added a new biome, but something something new is coming because when there's a new biome, probably there's getting a new enemy. So I think the new enemy will be a goat. Yeah, it's a goat. There we go. Actually lagi. Actually lagi. Yeah, I know. I'm lagging because my cell phone have low storage. Not you guys other that have your phone on like a lot of storage. Because I'm just a starter, so it probably means a lot. My dream is to be a gamer. One day I will be a gamer. So like and subscribe guys. Broken fun. Nice revolver. I can save the first. Where did the gun go? It like vanished into the thin air. So let me just put this on. Yeah, so you can build your base like this. I'm actually hungry again. Tomato expanded. So wait a minute. I just my lights on. There we go. Wait, yes guys, it just locked my door. There we go. I did I already collect? Yeah, I already collect the tree house. Kind of food while got a run for my life. Yeah, that's the deer. She got experimented by qualities. So that's it guys. Hope you like my video. Like and subscribe guys. Bye.